Are you ready to revolutionize your GIS workflows and create impactful geospatial solutions? Whether you are a GIS professional, geospatial analyst, or data scientist, our Udemy course Python for GIS automation and geospatial applications is your gateway to mastering Python-driven automation and real-world geospatial projects. This course equips you with the skills to streamline GIS tasks, process complex geospatial data, and build applications like NDVI analysis and plant detection using Python, ArcPy, and PyQGIS. Why learn GIS automation with Python? Geographic information systems are at the heart of modern spatial analysis, from urban planning to environmental monitoring. But manual GIS tasks can be time-consuming and repetitive. Enter Python, the ultimate tool for automating GIS workflows and unlocking advanced geospatial applications. This course harnesses Python's power, combining industry standard tools like ArcPy for ArcGIS and PyQGIS for QGIS with the Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and computer vision techniques to transform how you work with geospatial data. In today's data-driven world, professionals who can automate GIS process and apply them to real-world problems, like analyzing crop health or monitoring air quality, are in high demand. This course is designed to make you one of those professionals with hands-on projects that deliver practical, job-ready skills. What we will learn in this course? With a carefully structured curriculum, this course takes you from Python basics to advanced GIS automation and geospatial applications. Here is a glimpse of what we will learn. Number 1, Introduction to GIS automation with Python. Kick off your journey with a clear understanding of geospatial analysis and why Python is the go-to learn for GIS automation. Learn how Python integrates with the GIS platforms to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Number 2, setting up your Python environment for GIS. Get your toolkit ready. Learn to set up Python with Miniconda, manage environments, and install essential GIS tools like QGIS. You will also explore Jupyter Notebook for interactive scripting, ensuring you are prepared for hands-on GIS coding. Number 3, Python programming for GIS. Build a solid foundation in Python programming tailored for GIS tasks, from variables and data types to control flow and functions. These lectures ensure you can write efficient scripts for geospatial automation. Number 4, data handling for geospatial analysis. Learn to manage and process geospatial data like a pro. Discover how to handle files, directories, and datasets using Python and Pandas, preparing you for complex GIS workflows. Number 5, automating GIS with ArcPy. Dive into ArcPy, the Python library for ArcGIS, to automate geoprocessing tasks. Learn to process vector and raster layers, create NDVI workflows, and streamline repetitive GIS tasks with Python scripts. Number 6, automating GIS with PyQGIS. Explore PyQGIS to automate tasks in QGIS, the open source GIS platform. Master vector and raster layer processing, execute processing algorithms, and automate map production for professional outputs. Number 7. Scientific computing for GIS. Unlock advanced geospatial analysis with the Python scientific computing tools. Learn to perform zonal statistics, calculate remote sensing indices such as NDVI, and apply computer vision to detect and count plants. Number 8. Capstone projects. Apply your skills to real-world geospatial challenges. Tackle capstone projects like LAI and LST analysis, bringing together automation and geospatial applications. Who should take this course? This course is perfect for GIS professionals looking to automate repetitive tasks and enhance workflows with Python. Geospatial analysts seeking to process and analyze spatial data efficiently. Data scientists interested in applying Python to geospatial applications like remote sensing and environmental monitoring. Python enthusiasts eager to explore GIS automation and real-world projects. Students and researchers working on geospatial projects such as crop health and urban planning. No prior Python experience is required. Though familiarity with the GIS concepts is helpful, the course starts with Python basics and progresses to advanced automation and applications, making it accessible to beginners and valuable for experienced users. Get started today. Ready to transform your GIS workflows and create powerful geospatial applications? Enroll in Python for GIS automation and geospatial applications on Udemy today. You will gain the skills to automate, analyze, and innovate in the world of geospatial data. Join thousands of learners who are mastering GIS with Python. Preview the course now and take the first step toward becoming a GIS automation expert.